Green age. 19 birthday. Do you know it? I know it. Do you know it?
I'm not good at it. Let's go.
Do you remember mine?
Yeah.
When it,
December.
Baka makuha kasi siya sa online, ma'am. Naka-add to cart na kasi sa akin. Ano ko na
green height. 5'6".
Yes, sir.
Ano po to?
Birthday niya raw po.
Sino? What's her name? At Ray? Ray? Happy birthday, Ate Ray! Happy birthday. Sana blessed ka sa buhay mo at sana safe ka palagi.
May anong payment niya, ma'am? Cash?
Salamat po!
Tutuwan ni Pedro.
Sa'yo kayo hawak mo. Dali na.
Sino? Kami? Ngayon? Lumayas ka ha?
Ano po to?
Sabi hawak daw natin yung gear.
May hawak.
Teka muna, smile.
47.
Ano daw? Ano daw?
Darren,
Ano to?
hawak mo ang bito.
Go, go, go!
Dali na.
Una kasi Aska, hindi nagkikis ng hindi nagkikasing ng
Oo nga eh.
Help.
Gusto bang piling?
true.
Kunin ko na lang po yung contact number.
Meron ako sandali. Petition ko na.
Ilan tickets yun nila?
TikTok?
Oo.
Hirap online. Kung mahirap online, dito ka na lang po magbili.
Ito po yung apat na tickets ko.
Next time we'll do it.
Pre-booking po yung other doctor. Ilan po?
Pag mahal mo, walang mahal. Di ba?
374.
Why did you make it so big?
Debit card. Pangalan ni sir? Last name?
Bibigyan ko na. Kasi mapadaw namin.
Tapos ba yan?
Curved the eye.
Lagi na lang kasi sa birthday. Tapos bakit mo na nasa
Mita!
Paano?
Hawak mo ang bito. Ayun.
Ba't kaya pa mo tingin ticket?
Balik tayo po. Next po.
May boses ba?
Meron.
Ilan? Ha?
Kahit sir.
748.
What happened? Did it not load?
Sino? Ma'am Cherry.
Did it not load?
It did. It's just so loud.
Thank you.
Hi, Ma'am Cherry. Guys, sana magkita na po tayo soon. Thank you po. Hi! Sino po to? Fish Heart.
Yeah.
Shout out GDM 1, 2, and 3. GDM 1, Wish Sharks. GDM 2, Mayon. GDM 2, Kalawakan. Kakaiba ang mga names nyo, ah. Shout out sa inyo.
Or yellow basket. Yellow basket na lang.
Thank you.
Whoa!
Kami video greet Kylie.
Kylie? Kylie Jenner. Hi Kylie, it's me Kai. I hope to see you soon in Asa. Let's see.
7,000 billion po ba sana? 7,480 po.
Huh?
Hindi po lang. May Matthew po. Matthew.
Matthew. Matthew? Hi Matthew. Shout out sa'yo.
Check niyo po yung ano.
Hi Matthew, shout out to you.
Wala na sir.
Jaren.
Sino po dati?
Yes, sino po?
Raymond Loyola.
Sorry?
Raymond Loyola.
Raymond.
Price po ng Patron.
Happy birthday, Raymond! Sana happy ka sa birthday mo and may God bless you all.
May ano po?
Thank you.
Sounded like fast.
16116. Patron po.
you. Limang pitik with soft moves. Ready? Ready? Alam mo yun?
Limang pitik. I saw that. What's his name again? Marky.
Gawin mo daw. Ginawa ko na.
You five soft moves. I don't know how to do that, man.
Did you guys see Jaren's TikTok? He's dancing. Kaya niya yan.
Yeah, but I don't do no five pitiks.
It's a fever dream.
Hi, picture tayo.
Paano po?
Magkano lang? Screenshot.
Screenshot?
Ma'am, ilan po isa lang? Agin din. 748 po.
Ay! Sorry!
Pinatay.
Senior po. Senior po sila. Pahinga lang po kayo.
Ulit, ulit. Ulit.
7 lang.
Thank
Hindi ka
you.
alam mo ba? Sa kanyang kay.
Meron ba yung 3 pesos?
Sorry?
Video free.
Sino po?
Yeah.
Ha?
Aprilata.
Abrilata?
Yes.
Hi, Abrilata and Silkay. I hope to see you soon. So, sana dito sa Asa.
Ubusin niyo na yung video.
Thank you so much.
Ma'am, dalawa. Bali, ano na lang po?
Ay, that's different.
Ano na nalagay mo? 1708.
Send na mo ba?
747. May contact number po sila. Ano lang yung search? Wait lang po. 0956 570.
Bro is playing Subway Surf.
747. 747.
Hello, Baron. Hello, Baron.
Hey. Aiden.
Radio station ba yan, guys? Hindi
No.
po.
Ticket booth po.
Ticket booth. You guys can get tickets here and online sa www.ticketnet.com.ph. Oh, you got... Oh, she's flexing. Di pa kayo tapos? That's very good. That's very nice. Okay. Dang! That's a lot. I'm flexing. I'm flexing. Guys.
Dali na, wait lang, picture ako din.
Sino po?
Jelly Divine Killer.
Jelly Divine. Hi, Jelly Divine. It's Mikay. I hope to see you soon. Ay.
Picture ako. Tawag niyo yung ticket.
Hi, Jelly Divine. It's Mikay. I hope to see you very soon.
As of now,
At 10
wala
million.
po pong advice. For sending.
Thank you po.
Kita.
Waiting pa po kami sa
Team
advice.
background.
Kahapon lang po kasi
Ito po yung price, 3,740. Yung 5 tickets.
Hindi
Here.
gani. Darren,
Come on, Darren.
What's up, this
After po kasi ng fees, kanila yung
Ano po yung model to yung
check
Shout
nyo
out
na lang po
Glory.
online.
I love you guys so much.
Once na open na po sa online, open na po sa
picture lang, Darren.
9 naman. 9 tickets.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, ano? Sa'yo mo. Sa'yo po to.
Yes! Okay na. 374.
Yes. Thank you. Thank you.
Yes, Darren.
Darren, did you breathe Apple May Coronado? This is for your birthday. Apple May Coronado.
Apple May Coronado. Hi, Apple May Coronado. Happy birthday. I hope you have the best day. Thank you.
6.6.
pala.
Try nyo nung bukas yung Monday. Or bukas. Ay, ano pala, bukas, Saturday or Sunday.
Fake to yung online.
Po?
Daming viewers.
Online, ticket cut lang po. Yung ito
Guys,
lang
I'm
po.
nasa vlog.
Dito lang
Hello,
po kayo
vlog.
bibili.
Oh. We're here selling tickets
Yes.
for ASAP XP. Olivia ASAP XP.
Wala po, yun lang po yung
Olivia
in-entry
ASAP
sa
XP.
With my kalokalike. Wow.
True that.
Hindi nyo na kailangan i-print, sir. Kailangan ipakita nyo lang po through phone. Pwede nyo po ipakita through phone. Hindi ka naman kailangan ipa-print. Hindi na po. Yes.
Ate, ito na lang daw available.
Kuha ka pa na nga. Ba't kasi hawak ang beat? Okay na yun, oh.
Kasi yung temporary.
Possible po yung mabibili na.
Mga nakaraan. So, ano na lang to? Ano pa lang? Breakfast lang. Hindi, online. Ah, okay.
Hi guys, thank you so much for watching us. Keep buying the tickets.
Guys,
Keep buying tickets for ASAP XP at www.ticketnet.com.ph. Yes. See you guys soon. Get your tickets now.
21.